Black Treacle by Arctic Monkeys is played in standard tuning and without a capo. For the intro, we're going to play a G bar chord. First finger bar at the 3rd fret, third finger 5th fret at the A, pinky finger 5th fret at the D, and the second finger on the 4th fret at the G. And we're going to play down, down, rest, down, down, rest, down, down, rest, down, down, rest. So 2 full bars, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. For the verse, we're going to stay on this G bar chord and play 1 and 2, 3 and 4 for 3 bars. We're then going to swap to a bar of 2-4 and play a D chord, 1 and 2 and 4 down strums, 1 and 2 and then to a C major chord, and we're back to 4-4 here. We'll strum down, down, rest, down, down, rest, then to the G chord again, down, down, rest, down, down, rest, D chord, down, down, rest, down, down, rest, C chord, down, down, rest, down, down, rest, and that's the verse. So G, D, C, G, D, C, back through. For the link section, we're going to stay on this G major bar chord but change the rhythm. We'll have 1 and 2 is a rest, and 4 and rest and. So down, up, down, up, up. And then we kind of flow into the next bar, so it feels more like down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, rest. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. During the link section, the second guitar is playing the open G string and the 4th fret on the D string, but we're going to bend it up so it's exactly the same pitch as the open G string, and just play it all down in 8 notes. We'd have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. For the chords in the chorus, we have a C chord, down, down, going to a D, down, down, and then to an open G chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. So C, 1, 2, D, 3, 4, G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same again, C, D, G. Third time's different. Go C, down, down, D, G. On the third beat, we go to an A minor chord, down, down, and then to a C minor bar chord. Single strum, left to ring for the whole bar. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, A minor and C minor. We'll then go to our G bar chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and back to that C sharp minor, single strum. The whole chorus, C, 1, 2, D, G, C, D, G, C, D, G, A minor, single strum, C minor, and then G, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and C minor, and that's the whole chorus. For the second guitar riff in the chorus, it is 9 on the G, going to 8 on the B, then to 10 on the B, back to 8. So we'll then move this shape up to 11 on the G, 10 on the B, and grab 12 on the B. So we're then going to play a little G triad on the 12th fret of the D, G, and B strings, single strum. So it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third time through is different, but the riff to start is the same. 9, 8, 10, 8, 11, 10, 12. Little G strum, down to an A minor chord. That's 10, 9, and 10 on the D, G, and B strings. And we finish this off with a first finger bar on the 8th fret of the G, B, and high E strings. Just like a little C minor chord. So it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we got that little bend up again. 1 bar, and then we end on the first beat of the second bar. So the whole chorus. 2, 3, 4. Riff again. Third time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little bend in riff. There's a little riff after the chorus. 14th fret on the G string, bending up the whole step and kind of killing it off while it's in the bend. Then we go to 9th fret on the G string, got a slow bend and release, and then we play the 9th fret again, but we kind of hang on the note first and then do the bend. Then we have 7, sliding down to 9. So you go 14, killing it off, 9 with the slow bend, 9 with the hang, bend up and down, 7, sliding back down to 4. There's a little guitar riff after the chorus and it starts with that little bend again. This time we play 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and down to 2 on the D and open G string, 1 and 2, and add in the 3rd fret on the A string, play 3 and 2 on the 3rd fret of the A string, 2nd fret of the D, 3 and 4 and then 5 on the D, open G. So we've got that bend, 2nd fret. For verse 2, we're going to use bar chords throughout, G bar chord, D and C. And we're going to use the kind of rhythm from the link section. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then we'll move to the D chord, down, up, C chord, down, up, down, up. And then to the G chord, down, up, down, up. D chord, down, up, C chord, down, up, and a G. Down, up, down, up. You'll notice I'm hitting a little mute strum at the end there too, on the very last beat of each chord. So we've got G. At the end of the second verse, there's that riff again with the bend from the 14th fret up, killing it off. We're going to play this a lot slower here. Then go to the 9th fret on the G string, bend up and down, 7th fret, but we're already pre-bent, releasing it, then we'll bend it up and down again. Then 4th fret, bend up and down, and then sliding down to 2. So the 14th fret bend, kill it off, 9th fret slow bend, and release, 7th fret pre-bend, 7th fret bend and release, 4th fret bend and release and slide down to 2. Then the bend up again on the 4th fret to the open G, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. For the bridge section we're going to strum down in 8th notes for the whole bridge. So we start off with a C chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and D, G, we're going to stay on this for 2 bars, C, D, G, E minor, C, D, G, C minor, back to the C, single strum of D and leave it to ring. To end the song we've got the bending riff. We play it 3 times. On the 4th time through we do the normal, and then but then when we bend back up here on the 9, we kind of bend and release and then bend back up and release to 7.